Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I'm back with another quick pre-recorded video, guys. I've been working in the basement today, trying to get everything for the shop in Rubbermaids and put on the shelves and everything so I could start taking pictures and posting it. But John and I ran into Dollar General yesterday, and they were putting out their fall and Halloween stuff. And look at these bags I found. They're $1. They are like a felt bag with these glittery pumpkin faces on them. Look at this one. How funny is this? And then you have this one that's trick or treat. So as soon as I seen them, the idea popped in my head, and I want to show you what I did. Okay, I coffee stained 3 of them, and I'm going to tell you how I dried them. At first, I was laying them out on my deck in the sun, but being that they're doubled, they were taking too long to dry. So I went and got my planter's shepherd hook thing from Dollar Tree that I used to paint my balls with, and I stuck it in the ground, and I dried them like this. They dried much quicker because the fabric isn't laying on top of each other. So there's an idea for you if you have these little hooks and you were painting your balls like that. Okay, I coffee stained them. Now I'm going to show you how they came out. And then we're going to do these. You don't have to coffee stain them. So I'm going to show you what they look like uncoffee stained. But here is my coffee stain. Okay, this one I did so it's kind of like hair on this pumpkin, which I should have probably did the googly face one. And here's this one. I just tied the raffia in a bow around the top. And here's this one. Are they not cute? Will these not look cute stacked together? And I did little hang tags, but I'm going to show you everything, what I did. But how cute are these little guys? I'm in love with these little pumpkins. Then when you want to put them away, all you have to do is untie the raffia and the cord and take whatever you stuff them with out, and you can store them flat and then just bring them out next year and stuff them again. Okay, so here's what I did. I stuffed them. I used my polyfill. You guys can use your plastic bags. You can use paper. You can use whatever you want. I just used my polyfill. And I'll just take it out and I'll reuse my polyfill for something else. So I'm just doing that. I'm just stuffing it. Just gonna stuff them. You could stuff them as much, as much as you want to stuff them. I just want them to be like plump. Okay. He needs a little more. Okay. There. Then I just pull my string. And I tie it to one side because I'm going to do my raffia around. So I just tie it to the one side because I'm going to hang my hang tag from there. But here's the googly guy. Okay, well, let's see. The googly guy, I want to show you how I did the hair. Okay, so if you want to do like sticking out the top, here's what I did. And the raffia I'm using is the one you can get at Hobby Lobby in the fall section. It comes with the 3 colors in the package. You get the yellow. I want them kind of be long, I think. Let's see. You could, that comes with the yellow, and then you get orange. I'm doing 2 strands of each. I did 2 strands of each for all the pumpkins. I just got to see here. Okay. So I have 2 orange, 2 yellow, and it comes with brown. So I'm going to do 2 brown. All right. Then I fold it in half. and I fold it in half again. And I have my little single strips sticking up top. It's easier that way. You can do more than 2 of each if you want. Then I just stick it in here and I pull this closed. And you can probably, I should have brought scissors out with me. Clip your your loops. Clip your loops, and then there'll be single strands. Okay, I'm going to tie this again to the side. So I gave them, I don't know, like hair. I gave them like hair. I gave that one like hair. And then the other ones I did a bow around. So I have this. I think I need to push my stuffing down a little more. So my thing. Okay, and I'm going to tie it to a side. I think I'll tie it to this side. And then again, I'm just going to take 2 pieces of each of the yellow. I kind of want long ones. Let's see. Okay. Yellow. It's messy when you open it up. Okay, yellow. Yellow. Let's see, I need some brown. Brown, and then I need orange. The 3 colors come in the package. I think they're $5.99 and then they're 40% off. Okay, some more orange. Okay, now I start from the back and then I wrap around. I'm going to wrap around to the back, and then come back to the front. And then I just tie a bow. I'm just going to tie a bow. I got to pull it kind of tight. There. You know me, I gotta fluff everything up. Okay, and I kind of like it all crazy. I kind of like the strings all crazy on it. But there's that. Now my hang tags, I have this cute little pumpkin, 3 pumpkin one here, and I have a Happy Halloween one. So that's what I'm using. And I coffee stain my hang tags. I've had these forever. I always coffee stained a whole container at one time. I used to buy them at Staples, and now I don't see them there. And I have my ink pad I get at Hobby Lobby because they go 40 off. And I am just stamping my little tag there. So I'm going to put my crazy guy in the center. And I think I want my Happy Halloween because I did 2 pumpkins and 1 Happy Halloween. I'm just going to tie my hang tag around my jute strings here. Just going to tie it around. Just like that. So there's my one. Okay, now this one I'm going to give a pumpkin to. Now you can use solid raffia if you just want to use the regular color. My bow is in the way here. Okay. So this one I did before I came on. So I would put my crazy one in the center. And I think his little hairs need to be, the little loops need to be cut, I think. But here's the tree. These are them unstained. These are the ones, they're unstained. They're uncoffee stained. So here's the difference in them. See the difference? I think they're more spooky, coffee stained. I think they're more spooky. How cute are these though? Okay, so if you like my video, if you like this little idea for these Dollar Tree little felt sacks with the pumpkins on them, pumpkin faces on them, decorate the page with your friends, guys. And I am going to pick someone on Tuesday, and you're going to receive all 3 of these pumpkin guys. And you can decide if you want to coffee stain them or leave them bright. And a package of this mixed raffia. The package will come with orange, yellow, brown. And then I will make you, and I don't know if you want to use them, but I'll make you up 3 hang tags also. So you'll get a whole little kit. Okay, so if you like my little pumpkin guys, just decorate the page, guys. And I'll pick a winner on Tuesday. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.